If you were riding your dirt bike and opened too much of throttle and you crashed and you broke your back fender, I will show you the better way than to glue it or to fuse it. I will show you the method how to put it all back on together while using zip ties and just screwing some holes. I consider that this way is way more better and it will be more reliable. As you can see, I have done this before and it was helpful. I am really happy of that way. Gonna do the same in here and try to imagine if all of that stuff was glued. It would have snapped, I don't know, the moment I start the bike, I would say that. And when it's zipped with the ties, it looks awful, but it helps a lot because look, it's moving, but it's moving, but it does its duty. Okay, of course. Okay, so now I will screw some holes and then put some zip ties, just like so.
Konvertuoti profitu, žinau nebus lengva, tebūnie taip kaip lemta. Dalykas vienas, aš nepasiduosiu blemba. Nežinau, kad šito šūdo kažkas kažkada gausis. Aš tai žinau ir nesiliausiu, kol jis nesulauksiu. Darysiu klaidas, bet savim pasikliausiu. Nemesiu, kad ir 10 kartą susimausiu. Iš šito šūdo kažkas kažkada gausis. Aš tai žinau ir nesiliausiu, kol jis nesulauksiu. Darysiu klaidas, bet savim pasikliausiu. Nemesiu, kad ir 10 kartą susimausiu. Jo. Atsistosiu, kiek kartų reikės, tiek taip ir padarysiu. Kad ir 10 kartų, kad ir 100 kartų, niekad nepasiduosiu. Atsistosiu, darysiu, tik vis į priekį žiūrėsiu, niekad neapkalbu.
Easy and proven method performs its duty really well. I am satisfied with that. Like you see, of course, every broken part is moving, but what does it mean? It means that this part is flexible and it's not gonna snap. So go and do the same for your dirt bike. Was it helpful? Call it whatever you want. Call it tip, hack or bullshit, but I think it would help for your dirt bike as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe.